Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to create Open TEMU account. So by the end of this video, you will learn how to do them, so without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our TEMU app right here, and once we open our TEMU app, the next thing we need to do is to click your profile section on the bottom of the screen, and after that you will see a sign in button. Just click it, and after that you will be redirected right here. You can sign up through your email, Gmail, and Facebook account. For this example, I will just use my Google account. So all we have to do is to click Google and click the account you want to use. After that, you are now good to go. So that's basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something, and please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.